Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about eye cream. They say the eyes are the doors to the soul, and we all want our looks to reflect how young and vibrant we feel. So for dark circles, wrinkles, and eye bags, our main concerns to focus on when we want to look younger for longer. And a specific treatment or product that targets the eye area seems like the way to go. But does this justify the high price tag and the mini size? Into this video, we're going to find out this and more. We're going to learn about how eye creams are formulated, if you really need one, and when using one could be actually a great addition to your skincare routine. It's important to know that the average person does not require a separate product to treat the eye area, especially when you have a good skincare routine. What matters here is to treat the skin around your eyes with hydrating, moisturizing ingredients and protect it from the UV rays. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because when it comes down to formulation, eye creams are actually just very expensive, tiny versions of your regular moisturizer. They contain pretty much the same basic ingredients to just keep that skin around your eyes hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. It is true that the skin around your eyes is thinner and more sensitive than the rest of your face, but that doesn't mean that you need a separate product or that you can't be using your regular moisturizer to treat this area. A good, gentle, well-formulated moisturizer with antioxidants, self-communicating and repairing ingredients that avoids all kind of irritants and fragrant components will keep your eye area well hydrated. What matters here is to find a product which texture and thickness will work well with the type of skin that you have around your eyes. If you have oily eyes, a gel water-based formula will work wonders for you, and if you have more of like a dry skin around your eye area, you can use a more emollient heavy moisturizer. Unless you have specific concerns that you need to target in cases where you need to use potent active ingredients such as retinol and other skin lightening ingredients. The reason why is when we talk about active ingredients, it all comes down to concentration, and we don't want to put that very delicate skin on risk of irritation. For example, when using a retinol, you don't want to apply the same cream on your eye contour because it could be highly irritating. Let's remember that the skin around your eyes is very thin in comparison to the rest of your face. So you don't really want to put the same concentration of retinol that you're putting on the rest of your skin around your eyes. I think that especially if you're starting out in the use of retinols or any other potent actives, you really need to take care of that, of the concentration and the potency of the product. So whenever you actually have a condition that requires a specific treatment with any potent actives, I do recommend to use a separate eye cream product that is specifically formulated with the right amount of this active to treat that area without exposing it to any sort of irritation. In my case, I take all my serums, my moisturizer, and my SPF apt to my eye area, and I've never had a problem like that because I'm very confident that the products that I'm using are very gentle and they will not sensitize my skin. But it's also very important as well to take into consideration the fact that some products, because of their cosmetic formulation and properties, might migrate from one place to the other. So you have to also make sure that they will not get into your waterline and irritate your eyes. With that being said, let's get into how to treat those common problems on the eye area. Here it's imperative to know the reasons behind these concerns and understand that the use of topical products, including eye creams, can offer an improvement or results up until a certain extent. We need to have realistic expectations and address these needs with the right approach and ingredients. If you have dry skin around your eyes, in this case, you need more emollient ingredients such as fatty acids. These are great to soothe the skin and to keep it well hydrated. Now, if you have eye bags and dark circles, If these eye bags are caused due to fat cells, no eye cream will solve this. This is something that needs to be fixed through a cosmetic procedure or intervention. If these eye bags are caused because of fluid retention, a cooling tool or a cooling eye cream with soothing ingredients will help to depuff this area. Also, caffeine is a great ingredient to kind of like give you that temporary cosmetic effect of lifting and reducing the puffiness around your eyes. And one of the products that I really like is the Inkey Caffeine Eye Cream. You also have something very similar in the ordinary with this caffeine serum. What I like about eye patches, especially for eye bags, is that they help you to depuff that area as they're pressing all the hydration in and helping to get rid of those extra fluids. All of this, of course, in combination with healthy habits such as a low sodium diet, daily exercise, and proper hydration are just amazing tools to keep these eye bags at bay. Now let's talk about dark circles. And dark circles are caused by so many different reasons. It could be due to allergies, due to genetic predisposition, your bone structure, and even lack of rest. But to be honest, no eye cream is gonna get rid of those dark circles. That is another type of subject that we are gonna touch in another video. So stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe. In this case, I recommend you to use an eye cream that contains brightening ingredients such as vitamin C and also caffeine. Caffeine is great for this because it dilates those vessels that give you that darkness around your eyes for a temporary cosmetic fix. In this case, I can recommend you this eye cream from MAC. This is the Vibrancy Eye Cream. It contains vitamin C, and I like the fact that it also has some pigment to it that brightens the eye area. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, it goes on very easily and nicely on the skin. It wears beautifully underneath makeup, and I really like it. It has really nice ingredients in it. If you suffer from wrinkles, you can use an eye cream that contains peptides or retinols that will help you to improve the skin's texture and the appearance of fine lines. One that I'm using right now is this retinol eye cream from the Inkey. This one contains a retinol derivative, which makes it extremely gentle for that eye area, but as well it's very effective. So I really like this product. The fantastic anti-aging ingredient are peptides. These are great at stimulating collagen production. They hydrate and soothe the skin. In particular, I love this eye cream from CosRx, not only because it contains a complex of 5 different peptides, but it also has snail extract, which is an ingredient that is fantastic for rejuvenating the skin and deeply hydrating it, besides a great amount of niacinamide. As well, don't forget to protect the skin from UV rays, so having an eye cream that contains an SPF or using an SPF around your eye area is very important. Now let's talk about milia. Milia is a condition that causes those hard, wide bumps around your eyelids. I actually suffer from it, but these are our tiny seeds created by trapped keratin or protein underneath the skin. Sometimes this skin condition is triggered by the use of heavy creams or oils around the eye area. In this case, if your moisturizer feels very heavy or thick, try to switch it up for a formula that is lightweight, that has a gel texture, and it's water-based. And now some application tips for eye creams. If you decided to use an eye cream, these application tips will help you to do it correctly. You need to apply the product around your bone area. This is going to keep the eye cream from migrating into your waterline. Always apply your eye cream with your ring finger, because this is a finger that applies the less amount of pressure, and you need to be extremely gentle with that very delicate eye area. And to answer the question, if you really need an eye cream, well, it depends. It depends on your concerns, it depends on your specific needs and your personal preferences. The truth is that you shouldn't feel pressured by the brands or the skincare trends to introduce any skincare product into your routine when you don't really feel you need it. I highly encourage you to question, to do your own research, inform yourself, so you'll become more empowered to make the best choices for yourself. And that's it with this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was like that, as always, don't forget to give it a like, to share it, and to subscribe to my channel for much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!